In this video, I'll show you how to Docusign a Google document step by step, so you can add electronic signatures quickly and efficiently. Start by downloading your Google Doc as a PDF or Word file to your computer, since direct signing requires uploading the file. Then go to the Docusign website, log into your account, and head to the Agreements section. Click Start or Upload to add your document, then enter the recipient's name and email along with any message or instructions. After that, click Next to open the editor, where you can drag and drop the signature field into the correct place on your document. You can also add date or text fields if needed for better clarity. Once everything is set, review the document carefully and click Send so recipients can sign digitally. Always double-check file formatting and fields before sending. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.